over your sea glass. I picked you up. We are back and we are looking for sea glass. Looking out for the sea glass. Oh, that's a pretty shell. You can live up there. I'll turn this to the sea glass bucket. Wait, look over here first. Ooh. This is a nice shell. Scoopy. She doesn't want it. Not good enough shell for her. Can hear a drone somewhere. Do not look at me. Respect my privacy. Shelly Beach. It's so shady. Be careful where you stick your fingers, 'cause it may get you. Not found any more sea glass. There's a tiny, tiny glass shard. Not round enough for sea glass. Ooh, that's a good sea glass. We put the sharp glass also in the bin, so nobody cuts their feet. Ooh, there's some. I can see it from afar. Just for me, thank you. There's a lot of shells. Tiny, bombani. And a lot of brown sea glass today. It fell over.